Okay, so as you can see here, I created a little document in Word, or it's going to be a PDF. I created a little document um, in order for you to be able to review um, your our first three streams, which covered the first three paragraphs of Sweet Ermengarde, which is a short story by H.P. Lovecraft. So here we have our vocabulary for the first paragraph, the second paragraph, and the third paragraph. Wow, there are two. Anyway, so I will be please take notes, and I will create a simplified text of those three first paragraphs that you will be able to access. I don't know where yet. I don't know how. I think maybe a Patreon. That could be a free Patreon. I don't know. Um, I still have to organize. I'm not very tech savvy, and I'm learning all of this on my own. So it's going to take a minute. But we have here our 5, 10, 11, 16, 17 words. Okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, 17 words. That just from those three paragraphs, that's it. Okay, those 17 words from those three paragraphs. So after you watch our previous streams, I invite you to have a look at this vocabulary list. And even if some of these words are archaic or literary or seem like not the way people talk, talking like the internet is not always a good thing. So I think that it would be a good idea for you to try and see how you can integrate these words in your everyday life, either in your language journal. Hang on, is it still recording? Yes. Either in your language journal, at work, in conversation, or if you're still at university or in school, in any kind of homework that you have, like if you have to write a book report, if you have to write an essay, if you have to write um, whatever. Um, you try to use maybe half in one of those essays. Try to use it in conversation with your friends at the student union or at work at the cafeteria. But if you just limit your experience of these 17 words, yes, 17 words to our little Twitch moment here, you will not learn them. I can tell you that right now. You will not learn them. You will say, instead of saying bleh, booty, beauteous, you will just say pretty. Instead of saying a veering, you will just say turns out. Instead of pronomen, you would just say first name. Instead of mendacious, you would just say lying or pernicious or mean. Instead of swains, you would just say uh, Hicks. Just joking. I'm sorry. You see what I mean? So you need to make a specific and purposeful effort to use these words at some point in the next 7 days. Okay. You take this list, you divide it by 7. Hang on. What is 17 divided by 7? Don't tell me. I'm terrible at math. Okay. So just have pity. Have pity for the mathematically challenged. Here it is. So we have 7 days, let's say 6, okay? Because you need 1 day to chill. So 17 divided by 6, that's 2 words a day. Make it 3. 3 words that you need to make a specific effort to use each day or each day this week. Okay, so that's 3 words each day this week. So you can use beauteous and averring. Boop. That's 3 words. That's Monday. These two here, that's Tuesday. This bunch here, that's Wednesday. These 3 guys here, that's Thursday. These 3 here, that's Friday. And these 2 here is Saturday, not Friday. Boop. And there you go. Okay. So don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Make it happen for yourself. You can do this. There is no reason why you should be on year 3, 4, 5, 10 of learning English. It should be done by now. If it's not done, follow me on Twitch and we'll get it done. Okay? All right. Take care. Bye bye.